Hello everyone, this is Mr. Zilich, and in this video we're talking about the properties of kites and trapezoids. So we have two definitions today, kite and trapezoid, so let's find out what they are. First, a kite is a quadrilateral with exactly two pairs of congruent consecutive sides. So, looking at this nice little figure at the top right corner, we have the top two sides are kind of small. I'm going to say they're congruent. And we have the two bottom sides, which are a little bit longer. I'm going to say those are congruent as well. So therefore, we have two pairs of congruent consecutive sides. Next up is a trapezoid, and this is a quadrilateral with exactly one pair of parallel lines. Again, one pair of parallel lines. So those are our two definitions today. We are going to do a nice little example involving a trapezoid. So, example, we're going to have 4 points. First is going to be R, and this is going to be at 5, 2, A, which will be 7, negative 3, P, which will be at negative 1, negative 3, then T will be at 1, comma 2 today. So those are our 4 points, R, A, P, and T. So, probably a good idea to graph this. So let's get a graph going. Alright. So, 1, 2, 3. There's 10 right there. Ten up here. And seems like we need to go down 1, 2, 3, and that's about it. So we'll go over a couple as well. So this is negative 3 down here, and this is negative 4 over here. So let's plot these points. So first is R, over 5 up to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to, so right around there, it's going to be R. A is 7, negative 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Negative 3, drop down here. This is going to be A. P is negative 1, negative 3, over 1, down 3. This is P. And then T is at 1, 2. So over 1, up 2, 1, 2. And this, again, is T. So let's connect the dots here. T to R, R to A, P to A, then P to T. So, we have a pretty nice trapezoid coming along here. But let's prove that it is a trapezoid. Again, going back to our definition, a trapezoid is a quadrilateral with exactly one pair of parallel sides. So all we need to do is find two sides that are parallel. So if I'm looking at this picture, I see two sides that kind of look parallel. First, I'm looking at TR, and then also the side PA. So we're going to take a look at the slope of these two lines. So the slope of TR is going to be 2 minus 2 over 5 minus 1. And we're going to get 0. And this answer makes sense. TR looks like a horizontal line to me, and horizontal lines have a slope of 0. So again, this looks correct. So now let's check out the slope of PA. And we are going to have negative 3 minus a negative 3 over 7 minus a negative 1. And on top here we have negative 3 minus a negative 3, which will be a plus. So minus 3 plus 3, which will be 0. And then we have that over 8. But again, that equals 0 as well. And so hopefully, again, PA is horizontal. This makes sense. It is a horizontal line. Horizontal lines have a slope of 0. And now that we see that these two slopes, the slope of TR and the slope of PA, are equal. That means by our definition of parallel that they are parallel. They have the same slope, therefore they are parallel. So indeed, our figure TRAP is a trapezoid. So, as always, guys, this is a Mr. Z production. Thanks for joining me today. Have a good one.